Hello, good morning. I hope you are well. We are team number 3 and we are conformed by Jimena Azenet Alfaro Revilla, Emanuel López Pérez, Ricardo Delgado Cuevas, Natalia Valentina García Ramírez, Rafael Antonio González Núñez, José Luis Martínez Bareño, Valeria Jocelyn Leal Carmona, and we will present you the topic named Free Fall.
Hello, today we will explain the concept of free fall in physics. Free fall is a type of motion where an object moves only under the influence of gravity, with no air resistance or any other forces. The acceleration of free fall is always 9.8 meters per second squared.
In this first situation, we drop two objects with different masses, a book and a pencil. Even if the book is heavier, both objects hit the ground at the same time. This happens because gravity accelerates all objects equally during free fall.
Well, guys, as you can see, the notebook is with more weight than the pencil. But at the moment the notebook is gonna fall and the pencil, the notebook and the pencil gonna fall at the same time, and because the gravity, the earth force with this is gonna be. So that's an example of this. Está la gravedad haciendo su pulso.
Another example of the free fall is that if we drop two objects with different mass, like a pencil and a book, they're gonna drop at the same time, even if they have different mass, like this. This happened because the gravity acts.
¿Qué significa el bro respeta?
In the second situation, free falls occurs when an object moves upward. After the ball leaves the hand, gravity is the only force acting on it. Gravity slows it down until it reaches the top, and then it accelerates it downward again at 9.8 meters per second squared.
In this example of free fall, we are going to see that an object that moves upward, it can fall if gravity is the only force that acts in the object. Like this.
In this situation, we compare a flat sheet of paper to a crumbled one. They do not fall the same because the flat paper experiences more air resistance. This shows that true free fall only happens when gravity is the only force acting.
Well, guys, so now we're gonna do the same example with the paper. That you think that paper we're gonna be equal because it's paper, is way same fast. But the difference here, it's that paper, it's more different than this. So we're gonna do this. Why this paper move that more fast than this? It's because the paper is more with more no with more weight is more with, well, it's bigger that because that. So this paper has not gravity, and this paper has it. That paper has gravity, but less than that.
Another example is that if we want a crumbled sheet of paper and a flat one, this one is gonna drop later because this experiences more air and it slows his fall, like this.
In our final situation, we represent how objects fall off the moon. Without air, a feather and a hammer fall off the same speed. This is a perfect example of free fall because there is no air resistance.
In this example of free fall, we will see how an object such as this book is not resistant to air, whereas this sheet of paper is resistant under air. This sheet of paper takes longer to fall than this book that is not resistant to the air.